Good day to each and everyone. No? Okay, so muli tayo nagbabalik. And then, diretso na po tayo dun sa lesson 3 natin. No? So, concept of sounds. No? Ito na yung pangatlo nating lesson para sa first grading for Science 8. No? And then, have you experienced hearing a sonic boom? No? Or yung mga nakakarinding tunog na galing sa taas, no, ng mga galing doon sa taas, no, and then somehow parang siyang sumisipol parang siyang sipol or yung ingay na galing sa taas na may pinapalipad na jet or airplane or somehow na kung ano man yung air transportation or aerial transportation, no, na kung ano man yung pinapalipad. And then somehow this figure shows a whitish cloud at the tail end of the aircraft. This usually happens when the aircraft travels at a speed faster than the speed of sound. So the aircraft travels at supersonic speed, producing a sonic boom na nakakarindi din talaga. And then in terms of sound consists of waves of air particles. Generally, sound propagates and travels through air. No? It can also be propagated through other media. Since it needs a medium to propagate, it is considered a mechanical wave. No? So, in propagating sound, the waves are characterized as longitudinal waves. These are waves that travel parallel to the motion of the picture. Yan, katulad na nakakita ninyo na may mga papatugtog or something na yun nga, even though kapag may mga during fiesta or kung ano man yung mga tradition sa ating mga respective na lugar, minsan ganyan yung nangyayari or kung kadalasan pa nga nangyayari yan every time na merong election, di ba po? And then, so meron tayong characteristics of waves, no? Kumbaga, recall na lang ito sa atin. And then, more explanation about this is nandun na siya sa ating lesson nung grade 7, no, about sa waves, no. Doon ko na i-discuss lahat ng characteristics of waves, so check it out, no, kung saan naman, i-check nyo na lang, no, dun sa ating playlist, no. Okay, so meron tayong properties of sound, no, in terms of reflection and refraction, no. So in terms of reflection of sound, no, isang example dyan is singing in a bathroom. A lot of people love to sing inside the bathroom because of privacy, no? And then a study conducted that noted that people would open their mouths wide when they sing in private places, just like sa banyo natin. Another reason is the hard wall surfaces of the bathroom, usually made of wood or tiles, brings about multiple reflections of sound. These hard walls or surfaces and the small dimensions of the bathroom typically create an aurally pleasing acoustic environment with many echoes and reverberations, no, contributing to the fullness and depth of voice. Well, this may not be the effect in the outside world, though, no. So alam naman natin na subukan natin kumanta sa banyo and then somehow mas malakas, no, yung reflection ng ating sound, no, dun sa particular na area kung saan man tayo nakanta, no. Hindi lang naman sa banyo, kumbaga sa isang private hindi naman sa private room, kumbaga nasa isang room tayo and then somehow yun nga, meron mga harang or should we say yung iba mga recording artist, no, or yung iba pa nga, no, ang ginagawa pa nila is nilalagay nila ng tray ng itlog, nilalagay nila sa mga dingding, no, and then ayun talaga mas nagiging malakas yung nagiging voice, no, kapag nagsasalita or kumakanta tayo dun. And then sound also exhibits reflection. So reflection is usually described as the turning back of waves as it hits a barrier. So echo is an example of a reflected sound. Reverberation, on the other hand, refers to the multiple reflections or echoes in a certain place. And then this best fits the bathroom, which enhances the voice. And then in terms of reverberations and echoes, in theaters and movie houses, there are also reverberations and echoes. but these are not pleasing to the ears during a play or a movie. To lessen this, designers use curtains and cloth cover for the chairs and carpets. No, check out the different movie houses and look for features inside the decreasing reverberations and echoes. But as of now kasi mukhang hindi nyo pa siya magagawa ngayon since nandito tayo sa panahon ng pandemic, no? Bawal nga lumabas, no? And then kung mahirap na kung pupunta ka pa ng sinehan para i-test mo talaga, no? But according to our experience, kung naka-experience na tayo makapunta sa sinehan, ayun, makikita talaga natin, diba? So from the word itself, sonar, the echo sounding is another application of sound reflection. This is used by scientists to map the seafloor and to determine the depth, no, of the ocean or sea. This is just the same as how bats use sound to detect distances. And nakikita nyo naman. And then, base sa nakikita ninyo, have you ever wondered why open field concerts are usually held during nighttime? No? Having concert at night gives a chance for everyone to see and enjoy the live show because there's no work and no school. Totoo naman, di ba? Wala na tayong ginagawa during nighttime, di ba? And then, depende na lamang kung ang work mo is pang graveyard shift ka talaga or pang gabi, no? But yung iba naman sa atin is during daytime yung trabaho and then somehow sa gabi punta tayo sa event or concert. Nakakamiss nga lang yung mga ganitong klaseng moment kasi ngayon nasa panahon pa tayo ng pandemic and then bawal nga ang social gatherings, no? Or mass gatherings. Kaya yun. No, so sound also contributes to the scheduling of concerts. Usually, sound is heard better in far areas during nighttime than during daytime. Ito po ay nangyayari sa pamamagitan ng refraction. Meron po tayong explanation dito later on, I think sa next slide, no, kung bakit po mas prefer na tuwing gabi na lang po ang concert kaysa sa pang-umaga, di ba? And then, so it is described as the change in speed of sound when it encounters a medium of different density. This change in speed of sound during refraction is also manifested as sort of bending of sound waves, no? So another that is the refraction is due to the different refractive indices, no, of air because of the differences in temperature. And then at daytime, when the sun is shining, the air near Earth's surface is cooler than the air above. So yung sound, no, the sound travels faster in hotter medium, no. Instead, hindi pala instead, no. Yung mga napoproduce nating sound, no, during daytime kapag nasa labas tayo or something na may nag-concert ng umaga, ang mismong punta ng mismong sound waves is papunta dun sa pataas, no? Pataas, ibig sabihin, mas mabilis siyang mag-travels in a hotter medium. And then, ayan nga, nakikita nyo naman. And then, dun papunta yung direction niya. And then, since Earth's surface is cooler than air above during daytime, then sound would move from the cooler region towards the hotter air above. The sound waves will be refracted to the sky. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. And then at nighttime, the air near the Earth's surface is heated by the heat emitted by the ground, making it hotter than the air above, which is cooler due to the absence of the sun during nighttime. So tuwing gabi, doon na bumababa yung ating sound waves at kumbaga nakita natin, no? Teka lang, natin. Gamit tayo ng laser. Yung sound na yan, yung sound waves natin, kapag nag-produce tayo ng sound waves, hindi na siya pataas, no? During nighttime, papunta na siya dun sa baba. Mas sumasang-ayon yung sound waves, depende kung nasa yun nga. Nakikita natin dito, in terms of cooler region, mas nagta-travel yung sound slower dun sa mismong ground, no? Ay nakikita natin. And then we observe, no, dito sa pinakita kong kanina, but mamaya na yon, no? So this makes sound move from the cooler air above towards the hotter air near the Earth's surface. The sound waves are refracted to the Earth's surface. So ayan, So this makes open field concerts better done during nighttime as sound waves are refracted from the stage towards the audience. This gives a clearer and more audible music to enjoy. Kumbaga in particular example, mas mabilis yung napapansin ko to kapag nagsasalpak ako ng earbuds or yung earphone sa aking tainga during nighttime, parang naobserbahan ko medyo mabagal yung mismong kanyang tunog at saka yung mismong music. Then during nighttime mas bumibilis, that because of that particular thing. And then in concluding, so change in speed of sound resulting to bending of sound or refraction are usually observed with changes in temperature at certain altitude. So ayun na po yung conclusion dun sa sa ating lesson. So dito na po nagtatapos yung ating lesson. So goodbye po, kita-kits po tayo next time. Paalam po.